Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. This is the Honey Badger here, and my family and I are living inside our Cougar fifth wheel. And if you looked at the previous video we did, we winterized it by skirting the entire bottom with insulation. Now, last night we hit below zero temperatures. And with that being said, I'm gonna try and insulate the windows using Pink Panther insulation and blue painter's tape. Let's see if I can get it done. You're probably looking at me going, what are you doing? Using blue painter's tape, Pink Panther insulation, and later down the road, extra cardboard boxes that were laying around to seal the windows. Well, here is the bottom line. I had a bunch of extra stuff from when I skirted the fifth wheel, when I put insulation and skirted it with OSB. So I decided to use whatever was lying around to cover the windows to give us a little better insulation. Right now, this time of year in Oregon, we're experiencing temperatures in the single digits, and we're going to have future nights where it's going to be less than zero. So I had to come up with something. And you're going to watch me just fumble around in all kinds of speeds because I sped up the film, I slowed down the film. So enjoy. As you can tell, my initial attempts on the second window were not very successful, so I had to cut down the insulation a little bit better, and then I had to get creative with the taping. I used absolutely, I think, one entire roll of tape just on this window you're watching. When I cut down the insulation better and just used the scrap pieces to fill in, it actually worked out better. And what I did to hold it in place while I taped around it was I actually put two pieces of big tape on the back side of the insulation so at least it would hold. Now these windows, when you touch them, were super cold. I was surprised I didn't have any cold burns on my hands. This Cougar fifth wheel is equipped with an Arctic package. So it has tank heaters, it has the extra insulation in the walls, it has the bigger furnace. All the things that an Arctic package comes with. But let's just remember, you can only fit so much insulation in a 2-inch thick sidewall. So these are just the little things that I did to make the family more comfortable. When I ran out of insulation for the smaller windows, I started using cardboard boxes. So I cut them in different little pieces and then squeezed them into the window and taped it around. Cardboard can be a very good insulator, and the only reason why I was using on the smaller windows was I figured I'd had a better chance. Now, if you look in the top right-hand corner of this video, you're going to see how I skirted the underbelly with insulation and OSB